So today I'm talking about calorie labeling, and the prompt that I'm discussing is discuss the merits of calorie labeling and product placement as interventions to address obesity. What are examples of each of these strategies, and have they been shown to be effective? So pretty soon restaurants with more than 20 locations, movie theaters, pizza parlors, vending machines, amusement parks, and even supermarket hot bars are going to be required to label the number of calories for all of their food and beverages sold. This new law has been pushed back since 2014, but is supposed to go into effect very soon. And research has shown that restaurants that voluntarily label the calories on their menu tend to have less calories than restaurants who don't label their calories just because they want their food to appear healthy and attractive to their customers. So the big question is, when someone sees the number of calories listed on a food item, does that even make sense to them? Do they know what that means? And is it really going to help combat obesity? And I'm going to argue that it does, or it could. So tonight I'm organizing an event for the Ski and Snowboard Club where we'll be scooping free Ben & Jerry's ice cream, chocolate chip cookie dough. I'm going to write down the number of calories per serving size and tape it on the box and interview some folks and see if I can get some reactions from them. All right, everyone. So anyone have any comments on the calories in this ice cream?
Yo, it has the whole box. I don't care.
The whole box, really? Gabe, what about you?
Delicious. Chef Gabe.
Frazier?
You gotta eat it all.
Eat all of it?
It's worth it.
Okay, just like, so a half a cup is 260 calories and 160 from fat. Does that matter to anyone?
Give me 10 cups.
I would just like to...
How many calories are you supposed to eat in one day?
I think 2,000.
Yes.
Yeah.
2,000 for a healthy
Doesn't that depend on like
individual.
your size and your metabolism?
Yeah,
How
it
much
does.
you work out, like,
Yes.
So it's kind of irrelevant.
They just use
Yeah,
all
nice.
the facts are just based off of a 2,000.
So a half a cup of this ice cream would be 1/10 of your daily diet. How does that make you feel? Yeah.
So I could eat 9 more of these then.
9 more, that's your...
And we'd be good for the whole day.
Sounds like a solid meal.
Realistically, when someone sits down to eat a serving of Ben & Jerry's, I don't think they eat a half cup, so it probably counts for about a fifth
True,
of
very
their
true.
daily diet.
I'm scooping ice cream for all these people.
True.
So really, ice cream
Check out
helps you
Gabe
burn
expending
calories.
energy.
Stop going so hard, dude. The lovely Gabe Cohn is scooping it for us tonight.
Everyone likes Ben & Jerry's. Look at that. Yeah. Fraser loves Ben & Jerry's.
Frazier's on round.
Hey, Will, react to the number of calories in Ben & Jerry's half cup of ice cream.
How much is it?
It's 260. How outrageous is that?
It's fantastic. I'm
Fantastic.
ready for it.
All right.
Everyone
How many calories do you think is in a half cup of Ben & Jerry's ice cream?
Half cup, like a half, what size cup?
A half a cup.
Oh.
It's okay. No, I get it.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
okay. How many calories?
300.
300?
Yeah, I'd say like 250.
250? Wow, you're really close. It's 260. How many calories do you guys think is in a half cup of Ben & Jerry's chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream?
300.
300? 300? Really close. It's actually 260. Yeah.
Wait, a pint or a cup?
For half of a cup. Is that a lot?
How many cups are in a pint?
How many? I don't really know that. Dan, how many cups of ice cream are you going to eat tonight?
4.2 cups of ice cream.
Dad, how many cups of ice cream are you going to eat tonight?
At least 10.
At least 10?
Maybe 11.
So as you could see, the people that I interviewed today did not have a good understanding of what a calorie was or how much calories really go into something like ice cream. So one of the main points brought up against the Calorie Labeling Act is that people don't have enough nutritional information to make informed decisions, even if they do have the calorie number. It just would confuse them and they don't know what that really means. So in class, we talked about the 2015 Bleish article, and the article says that the biggest impact of menu labeling may come in restaurant changes instead of changes in individual behavior. And they then stated that further research should measure changes among consumers and restaurants. So, although this is an obstacle, I don't believe that it should be a barrier. I still think that with a little bit of nutrition education, we can help combat obesity by informing individuals about calorie content and teaching them what goes into a healthy diet, how many calories that is, so that everyone is kind of on the same page. Product placement is another potential strategy that's thought to have potential in the fight against obesity. So imagine if instead of seeing commercials about Snickers bars and Captain Crunch, kids watch commercials about bok choy and eggplant instead. So, product placement and calorie labeling might not be the answer to solving the nation's obesity problem, but they would most definitely help. Thank you.